want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, and photos that remain. Still lost in oblivion, no one to show the way.
Oh, climbing a mountain to reach my highest goals. You'll never understand how I thought you were the one.
All I see is darkness, there's no sound, only silence.